if you live in the past, most likely you'll be depressed.
Right.
If you are anxious, you're living in future.
जी जी जी.
If you want to be happy, you should live today. There is so many things that happens which can go wrong in your life.
Right.
But it's also that it's a privilege just to be alive. We should be looking at challenges as an opportunity. You know?
Right. Okay.
And it's about mindset. Aeroplane उड़ता है,
हाँ
है
जी
ना?
जी.
लेकिन वो resistance नहीं रहेगा. वो उड़ेगा. Just saying that if everything is coming your way, you're on the wrong side of the street. The faith and trust that people have on me, the weight of that faith and trust is my strength. So I think there is no need for motivation. You just have to do it because that's something which needs to be done.
Needs to be.
We need to look after yourself.
Yes, yes, yes.
But I think our needs are very basic.
Basic. हाँ.
रोटी कपड़ा मकान,
जी जी जी.
education, health.
हाँ हाँ.
यही हमारे needs.
नीड्स. हाँ बिल्कुल. बच्चे लोग नोट्स ले सकते हैं. ये पावरफुल लर्निंग है. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू पंकज तांगड़ी शो. ये ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म हम तैयार कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे हम बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनैलिटीज़ को मिलेंगे हर बार और बहुत कुछ उनके बारे में जानेंगे, उनकी सफलता के बारे में, उनकी जर्नी के बारे में और बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग बातें उनसे करेंगे. आई होप बहुत आपको ये पसंद आएगा शो. और जो गेस्ट आज हमारे पास इस शो में आ रहे हैं उनके लिए मुझे एक बहुत ही अच्छा शेयर याद आ रहा है. मंजिलें उनको मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिलें उनको मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता मेरे दोस्त, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. तो ये लाइंस बहुत सूट करती हैं आज के हमारे गेस्ट को, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो अपनी जर्नी इंडिया से शुरू की और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में इतना बड़ा मुकाम हासिल किया कि हमको, आपको, जो भी भारतीय, उन सबको उन पे बहुत गर्व फील होता है हमेशा. तो ही इज़ द फर्स्ट इंडियन बॉर्न टू बी ए लॉर्ड मेयर ऑफ एनी ऑस्ट्रेलियन काउंसिल. तो आपको अंदाज़ा तो लग ही गया होगा कि आज मैं किस गेस्ट की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो मैं बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ समीर पांडे जी का PTS में. समीर जी वेलकम.
Always a pleasure to talk to you. It's always motivating to talk to you. Always something to learn when we speak with you. और आपके सभी सुनने वालों को मेरा नमस्कार.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू. बहुत एक्साइटेड था मैं आपसे बात करने के लिए, क्योंकि हम जब आपको देखते हैं, मिलते हैं ज़्यादातर इवेंट्स में, तो हमारी बात शायद कुछ टाइम के लिए लिमिटेड सी होती है और कुछ ही देर बात हो करके कुछ जान पाते हैं. पर आज हम खुल के बात करेंगे ताकि आपके बारे में हम और जान सकें, हमारे ऑडियंस भी आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ और जान सकें. तो समीर जी, एक बात बताएं, जब भी आपसे मिलते हैं आप एक बड़ी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं और बड़ी प्लीजिंग पर्सनैलिटी है आपकी. आज आप हमें सीक्रेट बताएं कि हाउ यू मेंटेन दैट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी.
Sure. I think there are few things, Pankaj ji, which I have observed and learned in my last few years now. My journey has been very different. If you split my first 16 years of my life, it's been very different. The next 16 years and then afterwards. And today I try to live a conscious life. Right. Where I'm conscious about things that's happening around me, where I'm conscious about myself, where I'm conscious about everything.
Right.
And I think I have spent time learning from people. And one of those learning is that if you live in the past, most likely you'll be depressed.
Right.
If you are anxious, you're living in future.
जी.
If you want to be happy, you should live today.
Right. Okay.
So I think I focus on today.
Right.
I think I feel very grateful about my own journey.
Okay.
I feel very grateful about just being here, being in this life where we have where we can walk, where we can feel, where we can think. It's a privileged life. The life that we have is for everyone. So I think in the scheme of things, and especially in the country like Australia and Sydney that we are, we are envy of millions of people. People want to live the life that we live.
Yes, you're right.
And
absolutely.
if we can't be happy about what we have,
yes,
I think there is something wrong with it.
फैंटास्टिक, यस एब्सोल्युटली. और जबरदस्त जबरदस्त. ओके, तो ये साइड तो मैंने आपकी कभी सुनी नहीं. ओके, गुड टू नो. ये कहाँ से आता है? ये क्या आप स्पिरिचुअलिटी को फॉलो करते हैं? ये जैसे बातें आपने बोली, हम आपको कम्युनिटी का काम करते देखते हैं, बट जैसे आप सही बोल रहे हैं कि अगर हम इस तरह की लाइफ के लिए ग्रेटफुल नहीं हैं तो किस चीज़ के लिए होंगे? तो क्या आप ये थॉट प्रोसेस कैसे बना आपका?
आई गेस ये थॉट प्रोसेस लिव्ड एक्सपीरियंसेस से बना.
ओके.
ये ऑब्जर्वेशन से बना. ये देख करके कि you know there is so many things that happens which can go wrong in your life.
Right.
But it's also that it's a privilege just to be alive. A number of people would just want to be sitting and having good food, having a good environment, education, and so on. We have that.
जी.
So there is absolutely no reason why we should be looking at challenges as an opportunity. You know?
Right. Okay.
And it's about mindset. It's about ups and downs will be there. There'll always be ups and downs. And if I can give an example, see flights, aeroplane उड़ता है,
हाँ
है ना?
जी.
लेकिन वो resistance नहीं रहेगा, वो उड़ेगा नहीं.
Okay.
So sometimes you need the resistance to take off.
Yes.
There is a saying that if everything is coming your way, you're on the wrong side of the street.
That's right.
So
okay.
I think things will come, things will go up and down. The important thing is your mindset, that you look at a challenge as an opportunity. You look at a challenge to improve yourself,
Right.
to learn things, and then move on.
राइट. क्या बात है. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. समीर जी, जैसे आप पॉलिटिक्स में बहुत एक अच्छा मुकाम आपने हासिल किया है, तो क्या ये आपका जो जर्नी है, शुरू से आपको पॉलिटिक्स का शौक है जैसे आप कॉलेज में होते हैं? क्योंकि आजकल जो हमारे शो को टीनेजर्स भी देख रहे हैं और पेरेंट्स भी देख रहे हैं जिनके बच्चे टीनेजर्स हैं, तो मेरे को बताएं कि ये जो सफलता की जर्नी है, ये कॉलेज टाइम से शुरू हो जाती है या स्कूल टाइम से? थोड़ा अपने बैकग्राउंड के बारे में बताएं, आपकी एजुकेशन के बारे में.
कुछ लोग लीडर पहले बनते हैं, पॉलिटिशियन बाद में बनते हैं. कुछ लोग पॉलिटिशियन बन करके लीडर बनते हैं.
ओके, वाओ, दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग.
और मेरा कभी ये नहीं था कि पॉलिटिक्स में जाना है. बट देयर आर सम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ पॉलिटिशियंस, गुड पॉलिटिशियंस.
राइट.
कम्युनिकेशन इज वन ऑफ देम.
जी.
having compassion is one of them.
Right.
Credibility is one of them.
Yes.
You know? Integrity is one of them.
Wow.
Clarity in their mind is one of them.
बच्चे लोग नोट्स ले सकते हैं. ये पावरफुल लर्निंग है. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस जी जो आप बता रहे हैं.
ये जो है, you don't need to be, politics is again a leadership role, isn't it? And I think you can serve as a leader without being in power.
Right.
You can be a leader without having a
title,
a power, a title.
Power, yeah, right.
So I feel that a number of people I meet, they have good leadership skills,
right,
and they can apply that in politics.
Okay.
So politics, I had no plans to join politics or be a politician. I still feel I'm more of a community person than politics.
Okay.
Politician.
Wow.
But obviously you get the tag. You get the tag as well.
Right.
You need to understand people. You need to understand. So there's a number of those characteristics. If I take a step back, I had some of them in the past. Some I have sort of learned in the process.
Okay. Right.
You also have to be bold, courageous in politics.
Right.
And that's something which I feel that I had when I was a young boy.
Okay. Right.
I have never been afraid of anything.
Wow.
I've lived a life of very, even from beginning, humility, but equally fearless.
Wow.
So I think that combination of being humble,
yes,
and fearless.
I can say you are a perfect example. क्योंकि हमने हमेशा आपको हंसते देखा, मुस्कुराते देखा, बट हाँ, मैंने ये भी नोट किया कि आप अपनी बात को पूरी सच्चाई के साथ, विश्वास के साथ रखते हैं. तो ये एक फियरलेसनेस की और बोल्डनेस की निशानी है. So you are maintaining a very good balance.
Honesty is important in politics.
Right.
I think so those are some of the characteristics I think which people can learn in the process, or some people have that naturally from,
right.
And they will make a good politician.
Wow, very good, very nice to know. तो आप इंडिया में जब आपकी स्टडी हुई, कहाँ से आप बिलोंग करते हैं इंडिया में?
So I was born in Tata, Jamshedpur.
Okay, right.
So it's industrial city.
Very famous city, right?
Industrial city. The name is Tata was named after Jamshedji Naseerwalji Tata, the founder of Tata Group.
Okay.
It's industrial city. I grew up there. I did my +2 in Jamshedpur.
Okay.
And then I moved to Visakhapatnam.
Okay, Visakhapatnam. Okay, right.
That's where I did my bachelor's in IT.
Okay, right.
And the year I completed my bachelor's in IT, the same year I came here. And that was in 99.
Oh, you're here from 1999.
Okay,
99. Wow, long
that
time.
was my it's been a journey.
Right.
So I came in 99, and see, like any other person, any other young person, my childhood was no different to millions and millions of people across the world.
Okay.
But I think it was the unconditional love and the faith of parents,
right?
And also that push Indian parents में है और सब parents में होता है.
हाँ, yes, right.
कि हमारे बच्चे हमसे अच्छा करें.
हाँ, yes.
वो when you put that faith and trust, वो बच्चे भी उनको भी लगता है कि ठीक है, we need to deliver something.
हाँ.
So that's how I think I started changing. Because I was very different until year 10.
Achha, okay.
My personality, my way of thinking, approach, everything was very, very different. Very different person. So people who would have known me from that age,
period, that age. Okay.
That's a drastic North and South Pole.
अच्छा, okay. सही. तो जैसे आपने बोला कि पेरेंट्स को अपने बच्चों में फेथ या ट्रस्ट देते हैं, तो बच्चे क्या उसको बर्डन फील करते हैं, या मतलब आपका माइंडसेट क्या था? जैसे हम भी अपने बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि हमें आप पे विश्वास है, तो जब हम ऑफलाइन बात कर रहे थे, तो ये एक बड़ा अच्छा टाइम है एक समझने का इस बात को कि बच्चों को वो कैसे लेना चाहिए, जो बच्चों पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को बताते हैं कि गाइड करते हैं या उनसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखते हैं. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, आपको आपके पेरेंट्स को आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी?
देखिए, बच्चे, everyone has their own journey, isn't it? And I think we should not influence it beyond what we should. तो बच्चों का अपना जर्नी है. But what we can do as parents is, because at some stage, and if we look at our lives as well, there are things which you knew but you could not understand or apply because there was no context, there was no involvement. Our job is, I see that, my job or my parents' job, if I look back in my previous life, was to plant that seed in your mind कि ये अच्छा चीज है, ये खराब चीज है. वो भले उस समय समझ में नहीं आया, लेकिन वो if you planted that in kids' mind at a young age,
जी.
when there is an opportunity for them to make a decision on a certain thing,
okay,
that they will use that.
Right.
So I feel कि we can only influence the young generation, or even in our case, we got influenced only to some extent. But that values, teachings जो था पहले,
right,
वो बाद में जब वैसा कॉन्टेक्स्ट आता है, वैसा सर्कमस्टांसेस आता है, that comes out.
This is what I wanted to hear from you, because आपकी एक बहुत सक्सेसफुल जर्नी रही है. तो किस तरह से आपने उस चीज़ को लिया, समझा? क्योंकि बच्चे परेशान हो जाते हैं कि पेरेंट्स ये बता रहे हैं, वो सुनना नहीं चाहते. क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूँ यंगस्टर्स को भी ये मैसेज आए कि हाँ, एक सीड प्लांट हो गया, तो उसके बाद जैसे आपने बोला कि जब वो टाइम आएगा, कॉन्टेक्स्ट आएगा, तो उसको वहाँ पे कैसे यूज करना है ना? That's wonderful.
And see, even now I feel the faith and trust that people have on me, the weight of that faith and trust is my strength.
Okay, wow.
Because लोग क्योंकि विश्वास करते हैं, वो ट्रस्ट है.
Yes.
Then you feel you should perform, you should do the best you can. किसी को disappoint नहीं करना है.
Wow, good.
And that's why we, my days are 12-14 hours a day every single day.
Wow, you work really hard.
It's 14 hours, almost 12-14 hours a day every single day. I think the last break I had was 5 years ago.
Oh my God, really?
I'm not taking a day off.
Wow, yeah.
In 5 years now.
My God. No, we are so proud to have you as our community leader, political leader. क्योंकि जितनी सपोर्ट आपकी रहती है कम्युनिटी इवेंट्स को, मैं देखता हूँ आप कितना ज़बरदस्त तरीके से गाइड करते हैं, और वहाँ पे आपकी प्रेजेंस हम हर एक बंदा प्राउड फील करता है. और मैंने देखा आपकी पर्सनैलिटी जो है वो बड़ी ओपन है, नहीं तो लोग कुछ हेजिटेट करते हैं कहीं किसी से मिलने के लिए कि यार लॉर्ड मेयर उनसे बात करनी जो आपने सक्सेस अचीव की, बट यू ऑलवेज वेलकम. आई सॉ यू वेलकमिंग ऑल द पीपल.
I think that's that's very fundamental in again leadership, that you treat people with respect, with as people, as human beings.
Yeah,
isn't it?
right.
Irrespective of our color, our status in the and your job and your profile, we're all human beings.
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
So I think that respect,
Right.
irrespective of who you are, you got to give them.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. वी आर वेरी ग्लैड एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू. समीर जी, एक और प्राउड मोमेंट आया था जब पिछले साल मोदी जी यहाँ आए, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर. तो हम फॉर्चुनेटली मैं वहाँ पे था और जितना क्राउड था मोदी जी को देखने के लिए, और अपने ऑस्ट्रेलियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी वहाँ थे. तो जब उसी टाइम के करीब आप लॉर्ड मेयर बने थे, तो हाउ वाज द फीलिंग? हम वहाँ बैठ के जब नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने आपका नाम लिया तो हमें बहुत गर्व फील हुआ कि हमारे लीडर हैं समीर पांडे जी, और हम उन्हें जानते हैं. तो आपकी फीलिंग कैसी थी उस टाइम?
So that was my day one.
Okay.
That was my day one as the Lord Mayor.
Right. Very good.
And
क्या जबरदस्त टाइमिंग रही है?
The timing, yes, it was timing, but
Right.
it was an absolute privilege to be, to meet, greet and welcome
Yes.
हमारे कर्म भूमि के प्राइम मिनिस्टर और
जी,
जन्मभूमि के
दोनों
Prime
जगह.
Minister.
हाँ, yes.
So I think that was absolutely privileged.
Right.
But should I say that for a number of months it did not sink in, because you're so busy that wo event hua and then you are busy with something else. So
Okay.
it did not sink in. But
Right.
when people started saying that, like you said, we felt so proud, we got goosebumps.
Yes, actually.
Then you feel that it was probably a very significant event of my life.
Yes, you are right. Absolutely.
लेकिन उस समय पता नहीं चला.
Okay.
उस समय obviously when he mentioned my name in his speech,
Yes.
I was there, and it did not,
Yeah.
ठीक है, अच्छा लगा, it
समझ
feels
गया.
good,
हाँ.
but वो sink in नहीं होता है.
Right,
है ना?
right.
When you sit and reflect on it,
Yes.
then you feel कि this was such a big
Such a big
milestone or significant period of your life,
yeah.
a moment of your life. So I feel great about that.
Zabardast.
Very privileged, and people still talk about this.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
I think that has definitely I've had messages, calls, not only from Sydney but Australia,
obviously, right.
and beyond India and other countries as well.
Okay,
US,
okay.
I gave number of interviews at during that period. But also, I think what it did was, it was also a number of people who called who were in politics or council. They said, we can do this as well.
Yes.
And that's important, because when you do something different, it's not just for you. You're lifting the hopes
Yes.
and inspiring
Yes.
people who have aspirations in that area.
Right.
You can say, and they
You
can
have set an
feel that
example.
it's possible.
Yeah. It is possible.
It is
Yes.
possible.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
So I think that's very important. It's not just about yourself. See, you're starting this show, Pankaj Tangri show,
Yeah.
and I congratulate you on that show. It is
Thank
good.
you. Yes.
I think we need to create happy places.
जी.
We need to create places where we can inspire people, where we can look after each other, where we make sure that we don't leave anyone behind.
जी.
And that's where it's important that you inspire people. You uplift people,
Right.
raise the vibration of this.
जी.
our
बिल्कुल
surroundings.
मैं भी इसमें बिलीव करता हूँ बहुत, कि ऐसे जैसे आपने बोला हैप्पी प्लेसेस और हैप्पी पॉडकास्ट हों, टॉक शो हों, ताकि लोग इंस्पायर हो सकें. बिल्कुल 100%. और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने अप्रिशिएट किया इस चीज़ को. समीर जी, जब आप अभी इस पोजीशन पे हैं, जैसे आप जब यहाँ पे आए होंगे, आपने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की होगी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, जॉब किया होगा, बिजनेस सेट किया होगा, अभी आप एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस पे हैं जहाँ पे आपको एक्सपोजर है, आपको पता लगता है. तो हाउ डू यू फील कि हाउ इट विल बी हेल्पिंग, इट कैन हेल्प आवर कम्युनिटी, स्पेशली इंडियन कम्युनिटी, बीइंग एन इंडियन एट ए वेरी प्रोमिनेंट प्लेस इन ऑस्ट्रेलियन गवर्नमेंट, हाउ डू यू फील Indian community can get benefit out of it?
See, Indian diaspora has grown rapidly in the last 15 years now, from about 100,000 to almost close to 1 million.
Right.
That growth has been massive.
Yes.
I think we are getting into mainstream as well. So there was a time when people were, when we migrated initially, our first few years would be settling ourselves, looking for a job. If you're married, then kids, family, house, and so on. But I think there are a number of people who have passed that stage, and even new migrants. I see aspirations in them.
Right.
I see entrepreneurs coming out because they see that someone else is doing it.
Yes.
Because there is support system. So I think it's important that जो लोग पहले आए हैं, they help each other
right.
to lift them up as well.
Okay.
So I think the mindset is changing. It changes your mindset.
Yes.
So
yes.
I think we have that critical mass as community to take off
Right.
from where we are.
Right.
So I feel that, and it's a responsibility of everyone, every single individual who has anything. You might be rich, you might have a lot of patience, you might have a lot of love to give, you might have a lot of time to give. Give.
Yes. Okay.
Invest that
Right.
in someone else.
Wow. That's a very good message. Yes. जो आप दे सकते हैं, जिस स्टेज में भी हैं, जो भी आप दे सकते हैं, जॉय ऑफ गिविंग, जो मैं विश्वास करता हूँ, मैं बात करता हूँ अपने दोस्तों से भी कि, और मैंने आप में भी देखा है कि आपके साथ भी जब भी बात होती है और आपको कम्युनिटी इवेंट्स पे देखा है, आपका रहता है कि आप गाइडेंस दे सकें, टाइम दे सकें, अपना प्रेजेंस दे सकें, क्योंकि हर वो कम्युनिटी में जो इंसान है वो प्राउड फील करता है, जैसा मैंने पहले बोला आपको. तो थैंक्स फॉर डूइंग, कीप ऑन डूइंग दैट फॉर आवर कम्युनिटी. समीर जी, एक जैसे कभी कभी मैं आपको सोशल मीडिया पे भी फॉलो करता हूँ, ठीक है, आप कभी कभी जिम की फ़ोटो भी डालते हैं. तो दैट इज़ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग कि आप इतना, जैसे बोला कि 12-14 घंटे आप काम करते हैं रोज़, और पिछले 5 साल से लगातार करते हैं, और फिर भी आप हेल्थ के लिए टाइम निकालते हैं. हाउ यू मैनेज दैट?
See, I think you just have to be conscious again. See, what I do will not be possible if physically and mentally I'm not well.
Right.
Isn't it?
Right.
What you're doing is not possible without, you being physically and mentally
Yes.
well. But also there is, you want to, in my case, for example, I want to see my kids grow.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
You want to see things that you have planted grow.
Right.
For that, you need to be here. Isn't it?
Right.
And to be here, you need to be healthy.
Yes.
So I think there is no need for motivation. You just have to do it because that's something which needs to be done.
You
need to look after yourself.
Yes.
And I think quite often, and it took me, I was health conscious before as well. I did martial arts when I was younger.
Oh, okay. Wow.
And
right.
But I was not conscious of health, and maybe there was no need because when you're young, you keep going with the flow.
Right.
But I think even if you're young, you got to live consciously, meaning you got to see what you're eating.
Yes.
You got to see, what you're talking.
Right.
You have to have a good connection between your thoughts, your words, and your action.
Right. Wow.
So I think I became conscious only in the last few years.
Right.
And as I said, maybe it was because of interaction with people. It was because of part of it was lived experiences, because you have lived that a life where you can see that things can be better.
Yes.
And you have learned from that.
Right.
But also it's about learning from others' wisdom.
Yes.
I've been very fortunate to have very good people around me.
Okay.
And I always listen more than I talk.
Right.
Which I think is a good.
It's a very good quality to be a good listener. Yes. Absolutely.
So I'm always willing to listen, and then obviously you can filter and see what applies to you or not. But I think living consciously is important. Health, as I said again, in the last few years I've become very conscious because I've seen again a number of my friends who have passed away. Family members, extended family who have passed away as well. And as I said again, I feel that in some cases, if they would have looked after themselves, even today, we have a number of half of the disease that we have around us is lifestyle disease.
Okay.
And if you change the lifestyle, and sometimes, some people change their lifestyle when they're hit by something.
Yes.
why wait for that to happen?
Yes, you're right.
Isn't it?
Absolutely.
Look after yourself, be
Yes.
healthy, know what what's important to you.
Yes, prevention is better than cure.
Yeah. It's about, and sometimes it's only a fraction of your time.
Yes.
And if you can invest that time, I think you'll be fine. I think you will feel much better. I had muscle tear in my calf muscle about 2 months ago now, and for a month I did not go to gym, and that 1 month was quite different
Okay.
in terms of not only that physically I was less mobile, but also mentally.
Okay. Right.
It had impact. So I could see that it has what exercise does.
Right. Right.
So although I don't have time, I still make sure that I do some if I'm at home. And see, sometimes you don't have to be healthy. It doesn't mean that you have to go to gym.
Right.
And I'll say something which might help people who are still thinking that this will be I don't have time. Time is an excuse.
Right.
You got to make it a priority. You want to make your health your priority. So you can do small things. So for example, you wake up,
Right.
everyone sleeps,
Yes.
and you wake up.
Yes.
When you wake up, attach some of the routines as soon as you wake up. So for example, stretching. Now, stretching is a very good exercise.
Right.
It's very,
That's true.
it circulates your blood flow. It's
Yeah.
good for your muscles, good for your joints. As soon as you wake up, you do some stretching.
Right.
For example, when you're driving, so you attach certain things which you want to do
Yes.
with your existing routine. When you're driving,
Yes.
we talk about breathing.
Right.
Just breathe
Wow.
in and out
That's a
while
good
you're
thing.
at a stop.
Yeah,
Just consciously you're breathing. Conscious breathing.
Yes.
It is no less than meditation. Obviously, you're focused on your driving, but
You are
nothing. You're by yourself.
That's fantastic. Yeah.
Before you go and have shower, just do 10 sit-ups.
Right.
You're in the shower anyway. Just do sit-ups there.
So you're
small
teaching
things,
us multitasking.
You can attach these things. So if you
Yeah.
don't have time, if you're time
No,
poor,
that's wonderful.
attach some of these things in your routine.
Right.
Before you go and have your meal, for example, you might want to just do something which will help, depending on what you want to do.
Yeah.
So I think if you attach that with your existing routine, hopefully you will get into a habit.
Wonderful.
And I think it is about habit and it is about discipline.
Yes. आप बुक्स भी पढ़ते हैं?
बुक्स का हमें काफी शौक है, हाँ.
क्योंकि ये सारी नॉलेज मेरे ख्याल से इतनी विजडम बुक से ही आनी चाहिए. हाँ.
लेकिन बुक्स देखिए, बुक्स हमारे घर पे भी I have thousands books.
Okay.
Office में भी I keep books everywhere. But पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं.
पढ़ने का टाइम. हाँ. Yes.
But I think that's one thing which I would ask everyone to do is to read a book for 15 minutes, even if you have 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So even next to my bed, on the table we have, I keep books. Sometimes I read.
जब भी टाइम
10
लगता है.
pages,
Yes.
10 pages. Because you should never stop learning.
Yes. That's true.
I think you should never stop learning.
Yes.
And books is one of those ways to keep your mind set. It's not only about that you're learning, but you're also focusing on one thing. Today our attention span
Yes.
is not very long.
Yes.
You
You're
get
right.
distracted very quickly.
Yes.
You go to internet for one thing, and within 5-10 minutes you are
Yeah.
doing something.
Opened up
which
so
you-
many tabs and
isn't
yeah.
it?
You're
So
right.
I think it also allows you to focus on one thing when you're reading the book.
नहीं बिल्कुल ठीक बात है. जैसे आपने मल्टीटास्किंग का बोला, तो जैसे बुक्स के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता, मैं भी जब ड्राइव करता हूँ तो आई ट्राई टू हियर ऑडिबल से बुक्स सुनना, पॉडकास्ट सुनना. पर एक और चीज अब से मैं शुरू करूंगा, ब्रीदिंग पे फोकस करना. हाँ, तो यू कैन मल्टीटास्क एट द सेम टाइम. यू कैन डू मल्टीपल थिंग्स विच आर गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ, गुड फॉर योर माइंड सेट, राइट? So it's a good learning today.
It is. And I see some of these things are easy. I feel that our life is very simple. I think
Yes.
our needs. You have to understand what your needs are and what your wants are. Our needs are very basic.
Wow.
You know?
It's getting very deep.
But if you keep wanting everything, I think you are going towards you need to. I think we also live in a place where you want to be comfortable. You want to enjoy the what you have around you. Isn't it? Whether it's nice dresses or but I think our needs are very basic.
Basic.
Roti, kapda, makan.
जी.
Education, health. है ना? यही हमारा needs.
Needs, हाँ, बिल्कुल.
And those needs can easily be fulfilled.
Right.
I think, and that should give you a level of satisfaction and gratitude
Yes.
that your needs are met. wants का कोई लिमिट नहीं है.
Wants का लिमिट नहीं है. हाँ, right.
So and I think again it's a mindset.
Yes.
It's a mindset as well.
Right. Spirituality पे भी आपका है इंटरेस्ट? कभी आपने कॉन्शियसली फॉलो, जैसे आपने बोला कि यू आर लिविंग कॉन्शियसली, तो हैव यू प्रैक्टिस स्पिरिचुअलिटी कॉन्शियसली?
I shouldn't say I have practiced because I have not had someone who have
Just want to ask.
I am interested now because I think it has answers to a number of questions that we otherwise will not have an answer for.
Right.
So I feel that and it does simplify your life.
Yes.
It does simplify the way you look at things. It simplifies the way you solve something.
Right. So you are already practicing spirituality. चाहे आपको पता नहीं, बट ये एक spiritually awaken इंसान ही ऐसी बातें, जितनी डेप्थ से आपने बातें की, वो एक spiritually awakened इंसान करता है. तो हमें बड़ी खुशी है. मैं खुद बड़ा फॉलो करता हूँ और मेरे को शौक है बुक्स पढ़ने का, ऐसा सुनने का. मैंने देखा आप सदगुरु जी से मिले जब आए और जया किशोरी जी से भी मिले. तो ये लोग जो हैं, इनकी स्पिरिचुअलिटी जो है, जो जर्नी बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. तो उनकी जो वाइब्स हैं, वाइब्रेशन, वो कनेक्ट करती हैं. मतलब हाँ.
Absolutely. No, I think and this is where again it's very important that you are in the right vibration and frequency, you know.
जी.
आप जहाँ हैं, अगर आप 6 लोगों के साथ हैं, 5 लोग सिगरेट पीते हैं, तो आप भी पीना सकते हैं.
Yes.
So and there is
company matters
करता है. So I think your surrounding is important. And I think spirituality is, like I said again, spirituality has answers to.
Yes, you are right.
So I think the company is important, the vibration is important, your frequency is important, and it's scientifically proven as well.
Yes.
What you think, your mindset, your positivity does change the frequency.
Yes.
And scientifically proven.
Yeah, yes, it is proven. तो समीर जी, बहुत हम आपको जान पाए आज बड़ी अच्छे से, और बहुत अचीवमेंट्स आपने प्राप्त किए हैं यहाँ पे. तो अभी आने वाले टाइम में आपका जो विज़न है, या आप क्या सोच रखते हैं आने वाले टाइम में? आपके प्लान्स क्या हैं? मैसेज क्या है कम्युनिटी के लिए, और एक मिशन अगर आप थोड़ा बता सकें हमें उसके बारे में.
देखिए, काउंसिल में आई हैव बीन इन काउंसिल फॉर 7 years and I think in those 7 years I have taken initiatives in a number of areas, whether it's business or sustainability or more trees in the areas, supporting making sure our heritage is protected, making sure that we have opportunities for young people, making sure that our elders live a life of dignity and choice. We make sure that there is open spaces. A number of areas. But I think if I can sum that up, and that would be 3 areas where we where I look at when in terms of focus. One is livability.
Right.
So I think whatever we do in council, if it does not improve the livability of our community, you got to ask the question, why are we doing this?
Right. Okay.
So everything that we do must ensure that people are benefiting from it. It's for the common good. It's for improving the quality of life.
Right.
That's important. Second thing is council collaboration. Now we can't do everything by ourselves. You got to collaborate. You have to collaborate with organizations, private sector, with state government, with federal government. That collaboration is a big component of what we do.
Right.
And the third area is sustainability. Whatever we do must be sustainable. You can't just do one-off.
Yes.
So I think that sustainability is really important for long-term benefit and of the community.
Okay.
So those are the sort of 3 themes that I look at in anything that we do. But most recently, there are a number of projects that I work on. There is always dozens of projects that I have in mind, and some of the projects that I'm working on now. Even last week, I moved a council motion for improving or activating the river foreshore. Parona River jo hai.
Okay.
Now it's such an important asset that we have.
That's
we
wonderful.
We are privileged to have that river, and I want to activate. I want to make sure that it's active. People go there, and in terms of if I can use the language of young people, we want to make Parramatta the Instagram friendly.
That's very interesting.
So,
see, yeah, that's keeping up with the you know flow.
So
right.
we want to have places where people go take the pictures and post it.
Wow,
on
that's
Instagram.
fantastic. It will be wonderful.
So if you have any ideas, if anyone has any ideas,
yes,
on
please share.
how to make Parramatta Instagrammable.
Wow,
If that's the
wow,
word.
wow.
That's what we would want to do.
Wow.
So I think that's one. In the next meeting of council, I'm moving for establishing an entrepreneur grant program.
Okay.
I want to see that ideas flourish. You know, we have free flow of ideas. I want to see that people. I want to see one entrepreneur in every street in Western Sydney.
Wow, wow,
Yeah.
that's great.
So we want to promote ideas. We live in ideas economy.
right.
If we look at some of the top
Yeah,
countries
that's
in
very
the-
important to get some support from the government side, you know, because हर entrepreneur का सपना होता है कुछ करने का, but if they get support from the government or you know council, they can do much better.
Correct. Absolutely. So this grant program which I am proposing and which we will finalize on Monday,
Okay.
would help
Right.
to fund small ideas.
Wow, that's
And I think
fantastic.
that's really important that we talk about ideas.
Yes.
You know, these days I see that I observe let's say when I'm in shops or in food court or somewhere outside, what do people talk about?
Right.
Isn't it? Because
Okay.
young people talk about that housing is not affordable.
Big issue.
You know, jobs.
Right.
They talk about a number of things which is important, but equally important is that these discussions should slowly move towards ideas.
Yes. Right.
You know,
क्योंकि solution based.
Solution based, but also you know,
thinking.
I have this idea. Let's start working on this one. Let's
Yeah.
make the next Google. Let's make the next Atlassian. So I think those ideas has to come, and for that to happen, we have to provide the support network.
Right. That's wonderful thinking.
So I want to see Silverwater as the Silicon Valley of Sydney.
Wow, that's fantastic.
So in the next 10-20 years, I would like to see
This is
that,
what I want to hear from our leader, you know. So people should know that you actually think about these things. It's not because जब तक आप नहीं बताएंगे तो नहीं पता लगेगा. So I'm very glad कि आपने share किया ये सब initiatives and I'm really feeling very happy. I remember आप एक walking के अभी कुछ कर रहे थे कि पारामाटा में walk promote कि people should walk, not ऐसा भी कुछ आपने initiative.
Absolutely. So active transport is very important.
Yes.
So active transport will be an important part of our transportation.
You wanted to make the streets more walkable.
Correct.
जो obstacles कम हो या sign boards ज़्यादा या थोड़ा beautify करें. मैंने देखा पारामाटा has changed. पिछले कुछ सालों में पारामाटा स्क्वायर है, बड़े सारे beautification हुई है उसकी. So thanks for coming up with these ideas.
No, I think that's really important, and again, it adds to the livability of the area.
Right.
So one of the initiatives that I took for a few months last year, in fact, was to audit the CBD footpaths.
Okay.
And see that the footpaths are accessible. And it's not about you have to understand that we have people with different needs in the community. You have people on wheelchair. You have people with the pram.
You're right.
28% of our population in the LGA are people over 50 years of age. Now you need to make sure that again that footpaths and the movements is seamless.
Wow. Yes.
So one of the things that I have pushed for in council is a pedestrian strategy.
Okay. Wow.
How do we make sure that the pedestrian experience in the CBD
Yes,
is
that's
seamless?
what I was. Yes. I heard you speaking on this subject somewhere, maybe in some event or conference. That's why I asked you because that was a wonderful initiative. Yes. So मुझे खुशी है कि इस बारे में हम बात कर पाए और पता लग पाया, क्योंकि कई बार कुछ कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में आप यहाँ जो क्लोज डोर मीटिंग्स होती हैं उसमें कुछ डिस्कस होता है और आगे नहीं आ पाता, तो शायद ये सब बात करना ज़रूरी है ताकि लोगों का फेथ बढ़े, थोड़ा मोटिवेशन बढ़े, यू नो, एक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड अप हो.
And I always say we live in an ideas economy.
Right.
So I always promote and encourage people to come up with their ideas. Council में 7 साल में I have taken initiatives in a number of areas. Half of them is not my idea. It's people's idea.
Yes. But you're taking it forward.
Correct. So I think that's where it's important that we have this open discussion, constructive discussion, and constructive feedback as well.
Right.
That's how we will improve. I think So I think I'm very excited about what's happening in Parramatta. I want Parramatta to be a global destination.
Wow.
My vision when I was mayor, even now, is that let the next 10 years be the golden era of Parramatta.
Wow.
So for our generation,
Yes, right.
next 10 years be the golden era, where we
Yes.
do things in every area, whether it's sports, whether it's housing, whether it's quality of life, whether it's supporting the aspirations of young people,
Right.
childcare, anything.
Right.
We want to make sure that we invest in all those which makes our community, what it is, what it should be.
यस राइट फैंटास्टिक समीर जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के आपके थॉट प्रोसेस, आपके इनिशिएटिव्स के बारे में, आपके लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में, और बड़ा कुछ सीखा. आई होप हमारे ऑडियंस ने भी बहुत कुछ आपसे सीखा होगा, आपके बारे में जाना होगा. और मेरे को बहुत खुशी है आप यहाँ पे आए और हमारा शो का इनॉग्रेशन किया. बेसिकली इट्स ए फर्स्ट एपिसोड, और आई एम वेरी ग्लैड कि आपसे शुरुआत हमारे शो की हो रही है. और हमारे शो को जो सपोर्ट है हमारे ग्रुप की, सिडनी कनेक्शंस की है. हमारा एक बहुत वंडरफुल कम्युनिटी है यहाँ पे, इंडियन इन सिडनी, एक वंडरफुल बड़ा ग्रुप. इंडियंस का सिडनी में फेसबुक पे सबसे बड़ा ग्रुप. तो वो इस इनिशिएटिव को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. और हमारे गुरु प्रोडक्शन जो हैं, जो ये सारा हमारे को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज, और ये सारा शूटिंग और एडिटिंग और पोस्टिंग. तो गुरु सिंह जी का मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, उनकी पूरी टीम का मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ. और समीर जी, एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you. Can I say that this is an excellent setup? So
Right.
Congratulations to Guru
Yes.
And your team. This is a very good setup. I wish you all the best. And you mentioned about Indians in Sydney.
Yes.
I think they do a good job in
Yes.
connecting people.
Yes.
And I think can I just say something on that?
जी.
That it's really important that people keep their cultures,
Yes.
their values alive. They practice, preserve and promote their culture. But equally important is that they're united,
Yes.
and then they use that knowledge and unity to serve the community.
You're right. It's a great message.
So I think that's really important. That, but equally on the other side is, Pankajji, that we should be mindful of others' culture as well.
Yes.
While we are promoting our
100%. Yeah.
own, you have to be aware of other cultures.
Right.
There's 3 steps there, 3 A's, if I can say.
Okay.
Awareness. Yeah. So you got to be. Starts with acknowledgement. You got to acknowledge that there is someone else out there apart from you. Second step is awareness, that you try to find out consciously what is it about, whether it's Aboriginal culture, whether it's someone else's culture. So there is acknowledgement,
Yes.
there is awareness, and then there is acceptance.
Wow. Okay.
So I think it's really important that we live. We're very fortunate that we are in one of the best country in the world.
Right.
One of the most successful multicultural country in the world.
100%. Yes.
And it's really important again that we continue that and we leave this place in a shape and form which in a better shape and form
Yes.
than what we inherited.
Fantastic. This is a beautiful message. Acknowledgement, awareness and acceptance. Wow. That's a wonderful message, समीर जी. और बिल्कुल सही बात है, ये इस पे हम सबको फॉलो करना चाहिए. और इतने अच्छे मैसेज के लिए और इतने अच्छे पॉडकास्ट के लिए, टॉक शो के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
All the best.
Thank you.
And always pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck
Thank you.
with,
Thank you.
Your podcast.
Thank you very much. Thank you. उम्मीद है आपको ये पॉडकास्ट पसंद आया होगा, समीर जी के बारे में बहुत कुछ जाना होगा. ऐसे ही इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनैलिटीज़ को साथ हम मिलते रहेंगे पंकज तांगड़ी शो पे. हमारा इस शो का करने का पर्पस है पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट और लाइफ को कैसे हम बेटर बना सकते हैं. हर बार एक नई इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनैलिटी के साथ फिर से मिलेंगे. अपना ख्याल रखना. बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, कीप शाइनिंग. थैंक यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू.